Hi, my name is Ayana the Fragrance Fairy, and this is a bit of a different format for me. I mean, naturally, I'm a yapper, like in real life, but I'm not a yapper on socials. So today, I'm just gonna do a recap of an amazing day that I've just experienced. We're gonna talk about some products, I'm gonna talk about an amazing Black owned company, and we're gonna get to know each other. So if you're not already following me and you're not a fragrance friend, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you feel inclined, hype your girl up. Welcome to my enchanted world of fragrance. I'm usually showing you 10 to 12 bottles, but I'm not going to do that today. We're just going to talk about an experience that I had that has left me full. If you don't already know, I'm a brown sugar babe. Like, I'm a babe. I wear brown sugar babe products every day of the week. So it's really cute to see everybody doing Black History perfume trays. But I wear Black brands every day. Every day. Some Black brand I'm wearing every day. Brown Sugar Babe is at the top of that list. And today we had a Galentine's Day brunch at the first store, and it was such a vibe. I met a lot of fragrance friends there, did a lot of content. I took a lot of pictures. First of all, Makeda and Tamika spare no expense on decor, honey. The tables were gorgeous. They were draped end to end with beautiful pink and red roses. I mean, there was a waterfall, a cascade of roses down to the floor. It was incredible. No expense was spared. The chairs were a hot pink, kind of like my nails. The chairs were hot pink, and it was such a vibe. So I was able to meet with a lot of you all. I got to learn everybody's favorite Brown Sugar Babe oils. I met some old friends there too. We had amazing food. I'll try to drop in some videos that I caught while I was at the venue, but I was so full. I was just living in the moment. Side note, have you noticed that perfume girlies don't have boundaries? When I tell you, I hugged everybody. I'm like, come here, let me hug you, let me sniff you, see what you smell like. It was so much fun. And in addition to the good drinks, because you know there were amazing mimosas and brunch type cocktails, the amazing food, we were able to do the champagne glass and cake. We also got some really great goodie bags. And I had to come on here and show my fragrance friends how cute the keepsake bag was. And we're going to take a little tour of the bag, honey. So the next time there's an event, you sign up expeditiously. So they gave us these cute little Brown Sugar Babe My Galentine's bags. Look, I love new things, so I went and put on my purse charm immediately. So this is a I Smell Good purse charm. I think you can buy this on the site. And I also took my drink charm, and I was like, this is coming home with me. So I put my little drink charm on my bag charm, and it says BSB on it. It's super, super cute. Anyway, I think it's backwards, but you get the drift. Let's take a peek inside the bag. I may have taken a little napkin home. How cute is this little heart-shaped napkin? When I tell you no expense was spared, no expense was spared. So y'all, I took my napkin home. I did. I will show you the beautiful tablescapes with the beautiful flatware that was on the tablescapes. It was so gorgeous. But I took a few things home. So one of the things I brought home is the little spin the wheel mood wheel, and it has each of the new collection oils on it, and it gives you a vibe for each fragrance in the new collection. So on the prow, which we'll talk about in this video, says, I move through love and confidence and desire. I attract effortlessly. What is meant for me will find me. I might have to put on the prowl tonight. I'm feeling that energy. We'll go through all of the new oils, but I thought that this was super cute to pair with my Brown Sugar Babe collection. So I will use this to determine which oil I'm going to wear over the course of the next week, because I will be wearing them down. Makeup girlies, you're gonna love this. They're BSB little terry cloth wristlets and a headband. So when you're doing your makeup or your hair is wet, water doesn't get in the way. I think you also use these when you're washing your face. So super excited to have these. I don't think I have these. So I will be using these. I think I had some and I gifted them away in a guest basket. But guess what? No guest that comes to my house will be getting these. I love to do little gift baskets when people stay for a couple of days with treats, something fragrance related, a favorite snack they might like, a handwritten note, some towels. It's my way of saying, welcome to the Perfume Palace, honey. Kick off your shoes and stay a while. Now we're getting to the good stuff, honey. So one of my favorite things in the gift bag was actually this LED Brown Sugar Babe compact. I love that you can change the light setting on it. I'm a warm light girly. So anytime I can change the light from that bright white harsh light, I'm going to do it. Look at that. How cute is that? This is going in my purse. Nobody can get it. Oh, and it magnifies as well, but I don't want to see this side of me, honey. The pores on this side are crazy. So I think this is super cute. They definitely should sell this on the website. Definitely. Okay, so the next thing we got was a piece of jewelry. And I'm such a kid. I like pulling this string out. It is I love smelling good gold necklace. I'm going to leave it wrapped up until I decide to wear it. But I thought this was so cute. And smelling good is definitely a way of life. So I will be wearing this. This glass tumbler is by far my favorite item in the bag. I'm probably going to have to hide this because my husband's going to take it. It says BSB on it. So he has renamed BSB to Brown Sugar Beau or Brown Sugar Bros. And I'm sure he's going to want to have a cocktail in this, but it is mine. So if you see this, it is mine. It's super cute. Absolutely love it. I love a good piece of glassware. You put a nice piece of pebbled ice in this thing, a cocktail, I'm here for it. So if you see me with this, know that I'm having a fun beverage and enjoying a good time. I absolutely love this. And the little sleeve part is vegan leather. It's so cute. Now this is what you're here for. She gave us 2 ounces in the Love Ballads collection. I'm going to get into each of these oils in just a moment, but how generous is this? I mean, you gave us the no at Galentine's brunch. I'm super excited. I love having the 2-ounce bottles because I can travel with them. I can put them in my carry-on luggage and I don't have any problems getting through TSA. So I want to talk to you about the new Love Ballads collection by Brown Sugar Babe. I am on the PR list, so I did receive this cute record style PR box, and it's filled with each of the new fragrances in a 4-ounce. Let's get into it. And I'm also going to tell you what fragrance or layering combo I wore to the brunch. I'm going to try to show you this PR package without dropping bottles. It's super cute. So the inside of the record box has all 4 fragrances or body oils with the notes on them. And it has such a cute little picture that looks like something from iTunes, honey. Let's get into each of the fragrances. I'm going to tell you my favorite ones. Let's start with Matcha. This is inspired by Le Labo's Te Matcha 26. It is such a pretty, fresh fragrance. It has notes of bergamot, bitter orange, some matcha tea, some fig, some vetiver, and sandalwood. So if you're a fresh person, you will absolutely love this. I don't own the OG, but I have tons of things that I can layer with this. Next up, we have On the Prowl. Doesn't that sound dangerous? Let me tell you the notes. They gave us these cute little pamphlets that tells us about the oil. It is inspired by pink pepper. I won't be saying the company's name because we're not buying them. It opens up with bubblegum, apple, and strawberry. Doesn't that sound good? The middle notes are heliotrope, orange blossom, and magnolia. And the dry down is sugar, marshmallow, and musk. This is such a pretty girl pink body oil. I absolutely love this. All right, next up we have Iconic. This is inspired by Leonara. I hear it pronounced different ways by Mind Games. It opens up with some passion fruit and tonka bean, ginger. The mid has freesia, apricots, and osmanthus. Ooh, you know, I don't reach for this fragrance a lot, and I feel like Brown Sugar Babe fragrances always make me reach for the OG. Like seriously, if I don't have the OG, I start exploring whether I need it, and if I have it and I haven't reached for it, I start picking it back up. And the dry down is tonka bean, sandalwood, and musk. I think I've been missing out on a banger. Like this oil is so good. She does something to turn up the notes in these oils, and it's unmatched. It is literally unmatched. This fragrance does need a little help. So this body oil, and I also get the perfume oil, help the projection of this fragrance. Last but certainly not least, Mi Amor. Mi Amor is inspired by Lovers by Fragrance de Bois. I absolutely love, no pun intended, this fragrance. I have reached for it for about a year and a half. I mean, the dent is not even denting. This is pretty strong. The fragrance notes are, for Mi Amor, passion fruit. Here's that passion fruit again. Plum. I love a syrupy plum note. It also has some ginger and bergamot. The middle is rose, saffron. Doesn't that sound sexy? Jasmine. The dry down is patchouli, cedarwood, sandalwood, and vetiver. This is so good. I know. You shouldn't have favorites, but I do. Let me show you my ranking for the latest collection. I'm going to go in order of what I think I'm going to reach for most and what I'm enjoying right now. Okay, so in the number 4 spot is going to be, by the way, I love all these. Matrimony, kind of like matrimony. It is very beautiful. I don't have the OG. I have to get really creative on what I'll layer with this, but I have some things up my sleeve. I'll post a short for layering combos for each of these fragrances over the next week or two, but Matrimony takes the 4th spot. Then, this is getting hard because I just re-smelled Iconic, but Iconic's going to be number 3 for me. This is, again, inspired by Leonora. They're just 2 that beat this out. I will be wearing this though and letting you guys know if it creeps up the ranking list. My number 2 fragrance. Top 2. And these really are tied. So it's really my number 1 and my number 1.5. My number 1.5 is On the Prowl. Because who doesn't want to smell like a sweet, sweet, feminine, soft life lady? This is so gorgeous. I'm so happy we have this oil. I wanted the fragrance, but I will not buy it. But I'm excited to have On the Prowl. I also have the perfume oils for this because why not? I'm a perfume oil girly. When I love an oil, I definitely get the accompanying perfume oil. I just want everything to match and gel and go together. You know what I mean? And my absolute favorite from one of my favorite fragrance houses, Mi Amor. Mi Amor. I love Lovers Down. In fact, this was a part of my layering combo of the day. So I wore Mi Amor in both the oil and in the perfume oil because why not add a little razzle dazzle? And I thought, I'm in a room full of perfume girlies. Now's my time to shine. I can put that on, okay? I can put it on. Nobody will be offended. Everybody will expect it. I'm going to give out all the free hugs. Let me put it on. And I thought, should I wear Lovers? But I was like, will people expect me to wear Lovers? Probably. Let me switch it up. So I'm wearing a newer fragrance to my collection. This is Stellar Dreamers. I guess it's not that new. I purchased it when I went to Paris last. And it is gorgeous. It has plum in it. It has oud in it. It's super woody, very beautiful, absolutely sexy, perfect with Mi Amor. Oh, every time I smell this. Okay, I have to tell you, not blind buy safe. I'm not a leather girly, but something about this syrupy leather with some oud that's slightly creamy is driving me feral. Do you hear me? And so I knew that the fragrance that I was going to wear with Stellar Dreamers had to bring it. And also, it's Black Owned Fragrance Week. So I was like, let me sprinkle a little more black in there. Let me show you what else I'm wearing. I hope this fragrance does not get me banned. Listen, elementals and the names of their fragrances will give you firsthand embarrassment. Okay, this is Night. It has passion fruit, it has plum, and it has oud. Doesn't that sound perfect for me, Amore? I will be wearing this on repeat with my Me Amore fragrance oil. Absolutely. It smelled incredible together. So if you're crazy enough to have the two of these, wear these together. They smell so, so good together. And sprinkle on a little Me Amore for me and let me know what you... I think I've yapped enough. I think I've yapped enough. I hope you had fun watching this video. I had so much fun today. I'm excited for what's to come for the rest of the year. And I just wanted to share my experience with you. Again, I'll ensure that I have beautiful footage from the event posted throughout this video. Thank you for watching. If you're not already a fragrance friend, please like, share, and subscribe. Hype your girl up too. Hype your girl up. I'm trying to grow here, and I'm also on all of the other apps if you want to find me there. Until next time, may your scent bubble be intoxicating, because Love Week is coming up, y'all. May your scent bubble be intoxicating, your layering combo be undeniable, and may your favorite fragrance never run out. Bye. Sprinkle a little fairy dust everywhere you go. People deserve to smell you.